Hi friends, today we're going to make some parts of a costume or jewellery out of things we find outside on our walks or in our backyards. So I started off with the simple idea of making a crown. Using cardboard and tape, as you go for your walk you can pick up things and stick to it. So of course, as I was making this one, I decided that maybe it would be fun to make a bracelet shaped sized one. And then Tyler came to help, and he decided that he wanted to be some kind of superhero and he needed some armor for his arms. Then I was thinking a little more about what else we could do, and I thought about maybe fairy wings. Well, of course Tyler was helping me, so our fairy wings turned into pointy dragon wings. So today I'm going to show you how you could use old cereal boxes, cardboard and some tape and go off for a walk and stick whatever you like to it and turn into whatever you want to be. I hope you've had fun creating, and I would love to see photos of what you've made, how you've decorated it, and what kind of things could you turn into, and who could you be? I wonder what you could be.